Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kabir. I just wanted to hop on really quick and make a quick video for Alejandro and share my experience working with him. So I started working with Alejandro back in 2021 where I was just starting my online business and my offer. And back then, when I started, I didn't know anything. I didn't know how to sell. I didn't know how to market. I didn't really know anything about sales, especially. And I that's when I invested in Alejandro's mentorship to basically learn more about that because I knew the potential and I was seeing his other client results. My brother Savir was working with him; he was crushing it as well. So I wanted to give it a shot as well. And I honestly, that is one of the best decisions I've ever made in business because that literally got me the biggest ROI ever. We started with Alejandro. Uh, when we started, we immediately hit our first 5K month, then 10K month, and eventually we just basically kept growing. It was insane. We hit 10K months, 20K months, 30K months, 50K, 100K, 200K, 250K, and 300K. And actually, our best month in business ever, thanks to Alejandro's help, was in December. That was when we made about $390,000 in cash collected for our business, which was mind blowing. So, if you're watching this video and you're curious about Alejandro's program, his results, and what he can actually do for you, I just wanted to share my experience because I would say that is definitely worth a shot and something that you should look into if you're even considering to start your business or scale your existing business. Alejandro will be worth the investment. Have a great day.